Hi, thanks for calling Salons by JC. This is Riley. How can I help you?
Hi, Riley. Morning. I'm looking to rent a space.
Good morning. Tell me a bit about what you do. So, are you a hairstylist, barber, esthetician, nail tech? We match the suite to the setup.
I am hairstylist.
Got it, hairstylist. Which area are you looking to set up in, or where do most of your clients come from?
I'm flexible with any location.
All right, open to any location. That gives us some good options. And when are you thinking of making this move?
As soon as possible, probably next week if there is some opening.
Nice. Then let's get you something solid then. What are you looking to spend per week, roughly?
Somewhere between $450 to $500.
Right? And how long have you been at this? And are you bringing a book of clients with you?
Yes, do.
Perfect. And what's your name so I can save this for you?
It's Rudra.
Nice to meet you, Rudra. All right. Based on being a hairstylist open to any location, I've got a couple of spots that should fit you really well. So, option one would be Quarry in Alamo Heights. It's a prestige retail address with high value NW affluent clientele. Standards run $215 a week, or your setup is around that. Does that sound interesting?
What are the other options?
And then option two, Legacy in Stone Oak. That area has a dense, high income residential clientele, great for hair colorists and stylists. Standards there run $210 a week. Does that fit what you're looking for?
Yes, give me more details for this one.
Let me pull that up for you. Here are some more details on Legacy in Stone Oak. The suites are fully furnished with shampoo bowls, styling chairs, and color bars. You get lockable storage, Wi Fi, utilities, and free parking included. There's also a Vagaro booking software for free and an on site concierge manager. The location is at 2106 East Sonterra Boulevard, Suite 18 in San Antonio. Tours are available Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 6. Want to come tour it?
Yes, I would
Great.
like to book a tour for Wednesday.
What time on Wednesday works best for you to come see Legacy?
Anytime between 12 to 2.
Let me get this booked for you. Your tour is scheduled for Wednesday at 12 p.m. at Legacy in Stone Oak. Anything else I can help with?
Which is the nearest subway station here?
The Legacy location is near the Stone Oak area, which is a well established, affluent neighborhood in North San Antonio. If you mean public transit or rideshare options, those vary, but the location is accessible by car with free parking on site. Does that help?
Yes, I have all the information I need for now. Thank you.
All right, have a great one, Rudra.